One light on. As soon as I open the gate, second light on. I have to reset the timer on that because it's going straight off. I'll do that tomorrow. And the birds are still singing, twerping away. There's my little friend on the gate, and he hasn't come down since Hiccup's been here, because Hiccup chases him away, and he's been coming here for years. I could be digging down there, and he'll be next to me picking up the worms, and Jaeger would be just sat there watching. But old Hiccup in there, well, he likes to chase them off, which is a shame. That's what I miss about Jaeger, you see. She was a beauty. Absolute gem she was. She just loved wildlife. In fact, before that was built, there used to be a pond there, and Jaeger and I would sit there for hours. The birds would come down, take a drink or have a bath. I shall make some bird feeders and a watering hole for them. Yeah, it's good that. As soon as you open the gate, light comes on. 3, 4, it's on for about 4 seconds. So I should change that. I'll do that tomorrow. Had quite an easy day today. But tomorrow, I'm going to sort, well, depending on what the weather's like. If it's like today, I ain't going to get a lot done with the sheds. Listen to those birds. This is definitely one for Paula B, this.